Fill the vessel with water. Short press the front button to scroll through the fuel pod options. The LED indicators above the front button correspond to the position of the fuel pods on the bottom of the bottle. A short press of the front button will light up the base of the fuel pods along with the corresponding LEDs. Once the LED lights indicate your desired fuel pod, long press the front button to dispense. Shake to mix and enjoy. The bottle screen in the app shows your bottle's current status. It lists the fuel pods you have loaded, the current beverage you are drinking with the amount visualized in the bottle, your bottle's battery percentage, and the Bluetooth connection status. You can dispense the fuel pods by tapping a fuel pod and swiping to dispense. Personalized insights are shown at the bottom of the screen.
The settings screen in the LifeFuels app is where you can adjust your preferences.
Select Pair Bottle to connect or reconnect your bottle. Select Profile to update your information so the app can make recommendations and help you improve your hydration and nutritional goals. Select Notifications to change your preferences for which updates and alerts you'd like to receive. Select Help to get in touch with the LifeFuels support team should you need any assistance.
The fuel log screen in the app shows your hydration performance and gives you an accurate reading of your water and fuel pod consumption. Here you will see your progress towards hitting your daily hydration goal. Under Your Activity, you will find a list of every dispense you made throughout the day, with a corresponding timeline. If you scroll down past Your Activity, you'll see a detailed list of your dispenses. Tap on each dispense for more information on your nutritional intake. Also, in the fuel log screen, you can view past data by selecting the calendar at the top of the screen, scrolling through your history, and selecting a date to view.
You can create custom beverages from multiple fuel pods in the LifeFuels app. To create a custom beverage, select Beverages from the menu along the bottom. Touch the plus sign in the top right corner to create a new beverage. Tap Select Fuel Pod, and select a fuel pod from the list. Note: fuel pods currently loaded in your bottle will show up as In Bottle. You can then indicate the desired strength by sliding to the left over the serving circle. A standard fuel pod dispense is 2 milliliters. You can add up to 3 different fuel pods in your custom beverage. Once your beverage is finished, select Save. Name the beverage by replacing New Beverage with your preferred beverage name. Your new custom beverage will be listed here. Tap to select the beverage and swipe to dispense. All fuel pods in the custom beverage must be loaded into the bottle in order to dispense the custom beverage. To edit a saved beverage, tap the pencil icon at the top. Then tap the beverage you would like to edit. Make sure to hit Save at the bottom. To remove a saved beverage, tap the pencil icon at the top. Then tap the red circle icon next to the beverage you would like to delete. Press Delete to remove the beverage. Our team is constantly working to improve the functionality and features of your bottle. If you have notifications for the LifeFuels app turned on, you will receive a notification when your bottle needs a firmware update. You can go into your app, select Settings, and Pair Bottle to check that your bottle is up to date. If it is not, an alert will show under the image of the bottle saying, "Your firmware is out of date." Select the Update button and then tap Update Now. While your firmware is being updated, a progress bar will appear in your app. Please keep your app open for the duration of the firmware update. Your bottle will reset and you will be able to reconnect your bottle by selecting Connect. Your bottle will now show that it is up to date. In the event that your app or bottle crashed during a firmware update, you may need to recover your bottle. This can easily be achieved by going into your app, tapping Settings, and selecting Pair Bottle. You will see a warning in the list to recover your bottle. Select Recover and then tap Recover Bottle. Please leave your app open as your bottle is recovered. When finished, reconnect to your bottle by selecting Connect. Ordering your favorite fuel pod is easy. To start, select the Shop button on the bottom of the screen. Scroll through the list of fuel pods to find your favorite, and tap it for more details. You can choose to either buy once or subscribe for a discount and automatically receive fuel pods every month. The cost of the fuel pods are as low as $9.99 or 33 cents per beverage. You can view your ongoing subscriptions by selecting Subscriptions at the top of the shop screen. You can also view any current orders by selecting Orders. Fuel pods can also be ordered online at lifefuels.com/shop.